Fresh real-life photos of the upcoming Oppo Find N6 have surfaced online, and they seem to confirm one major claim: the display crease is practically invisible. The Find N6 could launch in China on March 17th. Now Oppo Find N6 renders surface online, revealing the phone in purple, red, and white color options. The overall design and rear camera module appear to be similar to last year's Oppo Find N5. The new model seems to feature a quad camera setup. In the leaked images, the LED flash is positioned outside the camera module. The Hasselblad partnership also appears to be continuing with this model. The Find N6 will be the world's first Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 foldable, offer up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. While the device is said to be thinner and lighter than before, the Find N6 may feature a 6.62-inch external display with a 1.5K plus resolution, refresh rate ranging from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. The foldable screen may measure 8.12 inches with a sharper 2K plus resolution, and 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. The Find N6 may include a 200MP ISOCELL HP5 primary camera, a 50MP ISOCELL JN5 telephoto lens, and a 50MP ISOCELL JN5 ultra-wide lens. 20MP selfie cameras on the outer and inner screens. It is tipped to pack a 6000 mAh battery, 80W SuperVOOC wired, 50W AirVOOC wireless. Upcoming foldable is expected to carry forward Oppo's focus on slim design, display quality, improved photography experience, and rugged durability. Price tag of 8,999 yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.